Hello everyone! As we saw in the previous video, we will start downloading and installing Amazon Corretto JDK 11 for Windows. So first we go on the search bar on Google and we look up Amazon Corretto 11 and we press enter. Then we pick the first website that allows us to download it and we click on it. Now we scroll down and as we can see here, we have different operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac OS. What's interesting for us is Windows. As we can see, there are two versions of Windows, x64 which corresponds to 64 bits and x86 which is 32 bits. To know which version we are on, we go on our search bar, we type 32 and we click here. Here we can see on which operating system we are. I can see I'm on 64 bits. So we download x64 bits, we click on that, and we click on save. Then we click on this, and then we will have a download. We pick next, and then we choose where we want to save it. I personally want to save it on my hard drive. We do next, and then we install. The download is over, so we pick finish. And now we finish downloading the version 11 of JDK Amazon Corretto. In the next video, we will start with installing IntelliJ ID, which will allow us to use Amazon Corretto. So see you in the next video.